Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. What we got here is something from Tempest Knives. Now this will be my first Tempest knife that I've ever handled, so we're going to dive right on in. What we got is electric blue camo, and this is the Tornado. Let's check it out. Alright, got a nice tornado sticker. Got a thank you card from KC. This is KC from Knives Fast Design, and he's the owner of Tempest Knives. Really great guy. Got a nice, really nice microfiber cloth. And without further ado, let's get to the knife. Comes in a really nice zipper bag. Check that out. Isn't that beautiful? Got electric blue camo carbon handle with milling lines. Check that out. Got a 154 cm blade, two-tone finish. Very nice. I like that finish on that. Nice clip point. Got really nice jimping, nice and grabby. I like the thumb hole with the fuller. It's a liner lock. It's got a very nice flipper tab. There we go. Gotta get it with a little authority. Very nice. Very nice pass through to the liner lock. Very smooth action. See, there you go. Just gotta give it a little authority. Fits really good in the hand. I get a good 4-finger grip on it. A nice sharpening choil. Got the Anodized Titanium Backspacer with a lanyard hole there. Got nice purple anodized titanium pocket clip that is reversible. Really nice. Blade is 2.75 inches with a 2.5 inch cut-in length. You can choke up on it. Very nice. Handle length is 3.6 inches. Weighs in at 3 ounces. The 154 cm blade has a 6162 HRC. Really nice knife in the hand. Great. Do some pinch cutting. Do some push cutting, pull cutting, piercing. Really nice. Nice size for EDC. Got a nice strong pocket clip. Got a nice pivot. Nice little decoration there on the pivot. But man, I really like those covers, man. Really nice. You can reverse flick it. Oh yeah. You can thumb flick it. Use the almost hidden flipper tab. I like how that flipper tab disappears. Doesn't stick out the bottom. Really nice. Helps you when you want to choke up on it. I'm really impressed. I think Casey designed a very fine knife. Now OEM on these is Kube, and Kube had done a fine job on this knife. Well, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of the Tempest Tornado with the blue camo carbon handles? I like it. I really need to try to get me one of these. This one's on loan. I had to send it back, unfortunately. But if you come this far, I'd appreciate it if y'all hit the like button. And if you would, subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And check out the videos popping up. See more cool knives like the Tempest Tornado. All right, y'all. Hope everyone has a wonderful day. And live life on the edge. Stay sharp. Bye, y'all.